Ever found yourself wondering about the history of the mattress you so comfortably sleep on? Well, it's quite a story. The dawn of mattresses takes us back thousands of years to when our ancestors first felt the need for a comfortable sleeping surface. Initially, they used leaves, straw, and animal skins, providing a primitive yet functional solution to their resting needs. As time passed and humans evolved, so did their sleeping surfaces. The ancient Egyptians, for example, elevated their beds off the ground to avoid pests, laying the groundwork for the concept of the modern bed frame. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and the Renaissance, mattresses began to be stuffed with wool or feathers, introducing a new level of comfort. The invention of spring mattresses in the late 19th century was another major leap, followed by the introduction of foam and latex mattresses in the 20th century. And that's how our journey to a comfortable night's sleep began. Now that we know where mattresses come from, let's delve into how they're made. The creation of a mattress involves a fascinating journey from raw materials to comfort haven. It all begins with the selection of materials. The choice of materials is paramount to the quality and comfort of the mattress. These could range from steel coils for inner spring mattresses, latex or memory foam for foam mattresses, or a hybrid of these materials. These materials are chosen for their unique properties. Steel coils, for example, are great for support and durability. They give the mattress its bouncy feel. On the other hand, memory foam is known for its ability to contour to the body, providing pressure relief and minimizing motion transfer. Latex, being a natural material, is hypoallergenic and environmentally friendly. Once the materials are chosen, they're assembled layer by layer. In a typical mattress, you'll find a core or support layer, a comfort layer, and a cover. The core layer, usually made of steel coils or foam, is the bedrock of the mattress. It's responsible for the support and durability of the mattress. Above the core layer is the comfort layer. This is the layer that interacts directly with your body. It could be made from memory foam, latex, or other cushioning materials. Its job is to provide comfort and relieve pressure points on your body. Encasing these layers is the cover. It's not just there for aesthetics. A good cover is breathable and durable, enhancing the overall comfort and lifespan of the mattress. The mattress is then subjected to rigorous quality checks to ensure it meets the required standards. This process also involves flammability tests to ensure the safety of the end user. These steps combine to create a product that's more than just a piece of furniture. It's a haven of comfort, a sanctuary of rest, and an investment in good health. So it's not just a piece of furniture, it's a complex structure designed for comfort and longevity. With so many types of mattresses available today, which one suits you best? Let's dive into the world of mattresses to find the answer. We have a variety of them, each offering unique benefits. The first type to consider is the inner spring mattress. These are the traditional mattresses that most of us grew up with. Inner spring mattresses use a steel coil support system to provide a firm, bouncy surface. They're great for those who prefer a more rigid sleeping surface, but on the downside, they may not offer the best motion isolation. Next up is the memory foam mattress. This type is gaining popularity for its ability to conform to your body shape, providing excellent support and pressure relief. The downside? They tend to retain heat, which might not be the best fit for hot sleepers. Then we have latex mattresses. These are a bit similar to memory foam in terms of conforming ability, but they are cooler and more responsive. They're also a bit pricier and heavier, so keep that in mind. Hybrid mattresses combine the best of both worlds. They have a coil base for support, and a top layer of foam, or latex, for comfort. This combination provides a balanced feel, offering both support and pressure relief. However, they can be on the heavier side, and may be more expensive than other types. Lastly, we have airbeds. You might think of a camping trip when you hear airbed, but modern airbeds have come a long way. These mattresses use air as their primary support system and often come with adjustable firmness levels. They're great for couples with different comfort preferences, but they may require more maintenance than other types. Each of these mattress types has its own pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider factors like your sleeping position, comfort preference, budget, and any specific health concerns when choosing a mattress. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to mattresses. It all depends on your personal preference and needs. Now the million-dollar question, how do you choose the right mattress? The answer to this question depends on several factors, each as unique as the individual asking. While there's no one-size-fits-all solution, There are a few key elements to consider that can guide you to your perfect sleep haven. Firstly, consider your sleep position. Whether you're a back, side, or stomach sleeper, different mattresses cater to different sleeping styles. For instance, side sleepers often find a softer mattress more comfortable, while those who sleep on their backs might prefer a firmer option. Next, think about your personal comfort preference. Do you prefer a bed that's plush and yielding, or one that offers more support? Many people find a medium-firm mattress provides a good balance, but this is highly subjective and varies from person to person. Of course, your budget plays a significant role in your decision. Mattresses can range from a couple of hundred to several $1,000s. It's important to remember that a higher price tag doesn't necessarily equate to better quality or comfort. It's about finding a mattress that offers the best value for your money, one that combines quality, comfort, and affordability. Health considerations are another crucial factor. If you have back problems, for instance, you may need a mattress that offers extra support. For people with allergies, hypoallergenic materials are a must. Before you seal the deal, always remember to test the mattress. Spend at least 15 minutes lying on it in your usual sleep position. This will give you a good idea of whether the mattress will be comfortable for a full night's sleep. And lastly, don't forget to consider the longevity and warranty of the mattress. A good quality mattress should last you for around 7 to 10 years, and most reputable manufacturers will offer a warranty that covers you for at least that period. Choosing the right mattress can make a world of difference to your sleep quality and overall health. So take your time and choose wisely.